Let me tell you one truth. If you make mistakes all the time, then you will never ever be able to speak English. Why I'm telling this? Because there are many people out there, they want to speak English, but they are not ready to learn English. That is the main problem. If I ask them, why you can't speak English? What's the problem? They start giving many excuses like I have this problem, I have that problem, like this. So if you are someone thinking about learning English, then don't make any kind of excuse. Okay, excuse doesn't make you fluent in English. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. So, hello everyone. I am Apsana. If you are new here in this channel, then I am Apsana and I come from West Bengal. And these days I'm trying to improve my speaking skill as well as earlier I used to make tutorial type of video, but these days I am trying to make videos by showing face so that I can improve myself too. Okay. So if you are a beginner, then there are many videos I already made on my channel. I already uploaded. You can watch those videos. If your mother tongue is Bengali, I can bet you can learn so many things from my video. I can bet. Okay, so if your mother tongue is Bengali, then uh, watch my previous videos. Like I have shared more than 40 plus sentence structures. These structures can help you a lot to become fluent in English. Okay, there are sorry, maybe I said wrong. Like for 400 sentence structures you will get from my channel, and you can learn so many things from my channel, I can bet. So stop wasting time. If you are thinking of learning English, just start from today. Start small. And if you are a complete beginner, then don't worry. I am here to share like from where you can start learning English. Okay. So I will share in this video how you can start learning English as a beginner. Okay. So today I like from where I learned English. I learned English each and everything. I may be told on my previous videos in my previous videos that each and everything from YouTube. You can also learn from YouTube. Okay, this is not a sponsor video, but still I am saying there is a channel named Dada Rai School. It is a Bengali channel. If your mother tongue is Bengali, you can learn from that channel. Okay, there is a 100 day series. There is a 100 day series of basic to advanced English learning. Okay, if you follow that 100 day series, no one can stop you from speaking English, because from that 100 day series I learned basic English. Basic to advanced means basic to intermediate level learning. Okay, I learned. So if you are looking for a good English channel or which can help you actually, then Dada High School is the best channel. I must suggest each and everyone, please follow that channel and especially follow that 100 day series. You will learn so many things. Your basic English will be covered. Okay, so just search on YouTube, write by writing Dada High School 100 day series, and you will get the playlist. There is a there are 104 videos. This is a old playlist. Okay, this playlist has been made like these videos made in 2020 when lockdown was going on. So there are two playlist, 200 day playlist. So you have to follow the old playlist. Okay, I hope you are getting my point because I'm getting stuck sometimes. So if you follow, then if you follow those 100 day videos, no one can stop you from learning English. So what I'm saying, so there are many people learners, they just make excuses and ask me on Instagram like help me to speak, how can I speak English, ma'am, could you please help me to speak English, could you practice with me, this kind of message. So to help, to get help from other person, you have to help yourself first. There is YouTube. Okay, you can, if you want from your heart, if you want that I really want to learn English, then there is no need to ask anyone, there is no need to any there is no need to go to any coaching center even, because YouTube is better than any coaching center. I'm not saying that coaching centers are bad. No, you can learn from there also. Coaching's English, spoken English centers are also good because you will get their chance to speak physically. But if if you just if you just want to learn English, then YouTube also can help you. But for that you should be interested. If you just think by, if you just normally think I want to speak English, but I'm not ready to learn and practice, I'm not ready to give time, then it is wrong. Then you will never become fluent in English, right? You have to prepare your mind, brain, and you have to give yourself time, at least 1 to 6 months consistently you have to practice, then you will be able to learn and speak English. Remember this thing, okay? Because I learned basic English within 2 or 3 months. Then I was consistent for 6 months to become intermediate learner. Then I stopped learning English. That was the another part. But it can hardly take 6 months to mm speak English fluently. For me, it is my opinion, if someone wants to speak English, then it can, within 6 months, a person can speak English fluently. Not that much advanced, at least a person can speak, a person can make a basic conversation at least within 6 months. If someone give at least 30 to 40 minutes every day, and if you give every day 2 hours, then there is no doubt, so within 6 months you will be fluent in English. Okay, there is no doubts. But 2 hours, it's a big time. Like no one can give 2 hours, right? So if you can give 2 hours every day for learning English, then it is well and good. And if you just want to improve your English with time, then at least you have to give 30 to 60 minutes, sorry, 30 to 40 minutes every day. And you will see the result gradually. So I hope this video helps. I'm just normally speaking, I thought let's speak whatever comes to my mind. So that's why I'm making this video. And because it is important for me, because I have problems with speaking. I am little I'm little bad at hold up a conversation. That's why I am making these days random videos. I'm just opening my camera without any setup, without doing any makeup and all. I'm just trying to speak English, whatever comes my mind. Whether it's wrong or right, it doesn't matter for me. The thing what is matter for me right now, that is I have to speaking is matter for me right now. Because very soon I'm gonna start a spoken English coaching center. Sorry, my video has been stopped. So again, I am starting. So what I was saying, that is, I want to start a spoken English coaching center very soon. I'm thinking about that. I'm planning for that. So that is why it is very much needed to speak English confidently, right? So that is why I am these days practicing speaking more and more. So now it's been a 9 minutes video, so I am going to end this video. I hope this video helps to motivate you to learn and speak English. Because see, as a village girl, as a in Bengali medium student, if I can learn English from YouTube, you can also learn from YouTube too. Okay, but one thing you just need, that is your open mind. You have to, like, one thing you just need, that is your willing heart and open mind. That is all what you need to learn and speak English. So I hope you got my point. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Bye.